Hello everyone. So today we are gonna see a topic on personal finance. So most of the people asked me to start this channel onto the personal finance. So this is the second lecture onto the personal finance. Today we are gonna see that why to invest. So generally people invest in multiple asset classes for multiple reasons. So one of them is a bit inflation. So for example, I have already covered the time value of money. So, for example, if something is getting in 100 rupees today, it can't be possible that same thing can be get into the 100 rupees. There might be the inflation ratio that needs to be bit every year, so you can cope up with it. That might be one reason. Then second would be reach your financial goals, whether it is a car, home, or anything else in your life. Third one is the retirement corpus. So when you will get retired, obviously you might not be doing a job or you might need to get a retire early. So that is could be one reason. Fourth one be like prepare for the worst situation. It could be a medical emergency. It could be other emergency in your life. So for that you would be definitely need some of the corpus aside so that you can utilize that. So that money would be used for the worst situation. And fifth one is that everybody wants in a personal finance at least to go money and save a taxes, whether it is income tax or other taxes. So there it would help when we'll invest into the number of things. So next question is that where the person can invest money, what are the different ways to invest in a market nowadays? So there are different types of classes where you can invest your money according to your risk appetite. So these are the types of instruments present in a market. First is first fixed income instruments. That means your principal is always secured. So if you are investing 100 rupees, you might get the 8% return at the end of year. It would be 8 rupees for 100 rupees. So that would be fixed income you will be getting throughout the year, and that's how your money will get increased. The next one is the equity. Equity means stock, a lot of funds, that is equity traded funds. They are coming into the equity. It is nothing but the trading into the stock market. It has a number of instruments like derivative stocks, bonds. That kind of instruments are still there in equity. Then third one is a real estate. So you could buy a home or you could buy a land, but when you'd be buying it, it should not be a liability for you, because you'd be ultimately paying the interest if you buy on interest, and if appreciation cost is not beating that interest rate, it would be a liability for you. So there are a lot of videos that how to convert the real estate into the asset. You can go through it. Then fourth one is a gold. So if you see the history of last 20 years in India, at least gold has given the pretty much good returns over the last 20 years, as it is the kind of precious metal who is getting traded in India uh, very much, and it is popular amongst the uh, people in India due to lot of festivals. So it is also good to invest into the gold. So recently gold has gone to the 45,000 from 40,000. So it is a quite good growth into the gold, but you have to wait for a longer period. And next one is a cryptocurrency. Nowadays, a lot of people are investing in bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, but the thing is that it is not legally accepted in most of the countries. So I would say that if you are not having a knowledge on that, it's better to stay away, that it is not a legal tool, at least to invest into the uh, cryptocurrency. At least in India nowadays, there are a lot of laws and lot of things are pending around the cryptocurrencies law. So it's better to stay away from this. So I would be just reiterating that what we learn, why to invest, that there are multiple reasons you want to invest, and how you can invest your money with the different types of instruments. So in upcoming sessions, we'll see these instruments in detail and we'll go through it one by one. So thank you, sir, for listening at this video, and do subscribe to my channel and keep watching for the more videos. Thank you so much for your time and your patience. Thanks.